Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Aysh. Please subscribe. Today's video is a hair tutorial, and I mean, it is self-explanatory. It is inspired by the Ariana Grande 7 Rings music video. I am obsessed, and I think the whole world and universe is crazy over Ariana at the moment. That song and that music video, I'm living for it. I had to recreate a look for you guys, and of course it's that space bun jewel in the hair kind of look that she has, and I love it. If you guys want to see me create this Ariana Grande 7 Rings inspired hairstyle, then keep on watching. To start with, I have straightened my hair and I've just given myself a middle parting. I've just clipped this bit out the way for the time being. I've just made sure that my hair is straightened because in the video you can see she has the 2 buns and then the back is quite straight. And I'm just going to take these clips out. Judging from the image for reference, just above the ear is where the parting is, so around here is where I'd separate the hair. Now I'm just going to face this way towards my mirror. I'm going to start by parting my hair using this comb. Make sure I have a nice middle parting and then just separate the hairs. Next I'm going to part the sides just where I said above the ear, and I'm going to separate that. I'm going to take the back and just tie it to get it out of the way. Just tie it in a little bun like so you can see where I've got the parting. Then I will repeat for this side. So I'm just measuring where I started the other parting and then bring that round to the top of the ear, and then we've got that section. And then take what's left of the hair, tie that back. Ideally you want to tie that with the other hair. I'm going to create a bun just with the hair behind that I know I'm going to leave out. So now we are going to tie the first bun. I'm going to clip this side just so we know it's not interfering with me creating this side. What we're going to do is take my brush and start brushing upwards and really making sure that's tight and sleek and smooth, because you can see in the video her hair is very tight here. I'm going to take some hair gel. This is the Alberto Balsam Ultra Strong Styling Gel, and I'm going to start applying that just to these edges and the top and sleek that down. Then when you feel like you've kind of sleeked that enough, you're ready to tie the bun. I've got it in the area where I'd like the bun to sit, which is quite high. And I'm going to take my 2 hairbands, nice and high. And as I'm tying it, I just want to make sure I'm pulling the hair. Actually, I think that's tight enough. Then pull that tight. And there you have your first ponytail prepared for the bun. We're going to take some hairspray. Make it nice and sleek. Just brush that upwards. And literally just twist this round. As I'm twisting it from the base, I'm starting to turn it and then wrapping it round. And then you have your bun. Take a hairband to secure that lovely little bun, and there you have it. So I'm going to try and make sure that the hairband isn't that visible, as you can see. And then if you feel like there's any hairs, any little hairs out of place, you can kind of take some grip clips and secure that as you go along. So this little part here I can see sticking out. I'm just going to take that back and then clip that in. Then spray your bun a little bit, and there you have your first bun created. So you're going to repeat the same for the other side. Try your best to keep it symmetrical. So I'm going to take this hair out of the clip because we are ready to use it. We're going to start combing this, combing it up. Right, we've got that ponytail ready, and now we are going to bring that round and tie it the same as the other side. To help secure that bun a little bit more, I'm just going to take a clip and put it into the back. I'm just going to take some clips because there are some parts sticking out. You just want to train those parts of hair. And then I'm going to go back in with the hairspray and just secure those areas. I think we're ready for the jewels. She seems to have like these beautiful diamante style jewels hanging from her hair. So I've kind of found something similar and along the lines of that. It's actually just a necklace. and I'm literally just going to pop it onto the bun, and then I'm going to wrap it, maybe around here is where I'd want it to sit. And then I'm going to take some more grip clips and stick them in the back of the bun. So if you've got the chain hanging, you can just hide that again behind, or even make that part of the look. Clipping some more in place. We have the first section in place with some jewels. Now for the other side, I have something different but similar, and I think it'll be quite cute to use something like not exactly the same, if that makes sense. So I've got like a bracelet here. As you can see, that's just going to sit like so. And then I'm going to take some more grip clips. And then I think I want to add another jewel, because as you can see, they're both quite different, and I want to hang maybe some more jewels on this side because I think it'll be cute. So here I have a necklace, maybe around here. Bring that over the bun and just kind of figure out where you want that to hang from. And there you have some jewels hanging from the buns. I'm just going to spray my hair slightly more. Get those edges nice and neat. I'm going to take out the back of my hair, and then we're going to brush the hair. And if you want to, you can straighten the hair slightly more. I'm quite happy with how the look has turned out. So if there's any areas that you feel like are poking out in terms of hairs, like I said, you just take the grip clips and push it into the bun and try and conceal the areas. I actually don't mind if some of it's kind of all over the place, if that makes sense. That is my look complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!